Today we are going to learn 25 birds name in English and Hindi. पिछली बार हम लोगों ने इंग्लिश में सीखा था, इस बार हम लोग इंग्लिश और हिंदी दोनों में सीखेंगे. Let's start birds name. Sparrow means goraya. Swan means hunts. Quail means butterfly. Parrot means tota. Eagle means barge. Ostrich means suturmurga. Manna means manna. Pigeon means kabutar. Cuckoo means koyal. Crow means kawa. Woodpecker means katfodwa. Peacock means more. Hen means murgi. Cock means murga. Peahen means morning. Crane means saras. Owl means ullu. Duck means batak. Vulture means gidh. Kite means cheel. Dove means kabutar or panduk. Chick means chuja. Macaw Parrot means macaw tota. Hummingbird means marmar pachi. Penguin means penguin. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and also ring the bell icon.